Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening settings and choosing Bluetooth. Now you need to click on the switcher to activate it and then wait for available devices to show up below. Then tap on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. To connect your smartphone, select Pair, then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this little icon next to the device and clicking on Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!